Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make a delightful Nungu milkshake. To begin, gather your essential ingredients. You'll need about 200 grams of fresh Nungu, 250 milliliters of chilled milk, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and a small pinch of cardamom powder. Don't forget 4 to 5 ice cubes to achieve that perfect frosty texture. These simple components will create a wonderfully refreshing drink. Now, let's prepare our star ingredient, the Nungu. First, gently peel off its thin, translucent outer skin. Once peeled, cut the Nungu into small 1-inch pieces, ensuring any fibrous bits are removed. We want only the soft, jelly-like flesh for a smooth milkshake. This step is crucial for achieving the right texture and flavor in your final drink. It's time to blend. Carefully add your prepared Nungu pieces, the chilled milk, and the 2 tablespoons of sugar into your blender jar. Don't forget that pinch of aromatic cardamom powder and your 4 to 5 ice cubes. Blend everything on high speed for about 1 to 2 minutes until the mixture is wonderfully smooth and creamy. A quick scrape down of the sides ensures everything is perfectly combined. Your delicious Nungu milkshake is ready. Pour the freshly blended drink into tall serving glasses right away. For an extra touch, you can garnish with a few small Nungu pieces or a light sprinkle of cardamom powder. Serve it chilled to fully appreciate its refreshing qualities. This recipe makes 2 generous servings, perfect for sharing with a friend or enjoying all by yourself.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.